Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you what is Remitly and how you can sign up. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So Remitly helps you send money worldwide using your bank account, credit card or debit card. More money makes it home to friends and family thanks to Remitly's great rates, special offers and no hidden fees. Remitly provides multiple levels of security for all transfers to protect your money against fraud. So after you download the app, you have to choose your language for Remitly. The basic is English, but you can select from the list here. Then click on the continue, and now with Remitly you get reliable transfers every time you send money back home. Alright, and if you want to create a profile, click on the create a new profile. And now where do you want to send money sending from? Here you can select a list and the sending to, choose a country, let's say to France, then click on the next. Now you have to create a profile, you have to type in your email address, then you have to create a password. Now click on the join Remitly. You can select, you can enable biometrics or click on the not now. And now you should see that we have created the account, and in the next videos I'm going to show you the features and settings of the app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.